Ever feel like a hamster on a wheel when it comes to meal planning? Welcome to Self-Well, your inner oasis. Today, we're tackling a common challenge. Healthy eating and busy schedule. Meal prep has become a powerful tool for individuals seeking to take control of their health and nutrition. By dedicating a specific time to prepare meals in advance, you can save precious time throughout the week, ensuring you have access to healthy and delicious options readily available. Let's explore the benefits of meal prepping. Firstly, it promotes mindful planning. You have the opportunity to consider dietary needs, portion sizes, and recipe variety. Secondly, it reduces decision fatigue. No more scrambling at the end of a long day, wondering what to eat. Thirdly, meal prep offers significant cost savings. By buying ingredients in bulk and avoiding impulse purchases, you can stretch your grocery budget further. Now, let's delve into some beginner-friendly meal prep ideas. Rainbow veggie bowls. Roast a colorful selection of vegetables. Cook lean protein like chicken or tofu. And prepare a versatile dressing. Build your bowls with whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for a complete and balanced meal. Mason jar salads. Layer salad components like chopped vegetables, cooked grains, and lean protein in a mason jar. Keep the dressing separate at the bottom of the jar for ultimate freshness. When ready to eat, simply shake and enjoy. Sheet pan dinners. This is a fantastic option for those short on time. Simply toss together your favorite vegetables, protein source, and a flavorful seasoning blend on a sheet pan. Bake according to the ingredients and enjoy a hassle-free, nutritious meal. Remember, meal prepping is a customizable approach. Experiment with different recipes, find what works for your taste and preferences, and most importantly, have fun with it. By incorporating this strategy into your routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving health and wellness goals, even when life gets hectic. Share your favorite meal prep tips and recipes in the comments below. Let's build a community of healthy preppers together. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for even more healthy living tips and tricks.